Hello students, hello friends. Today we will learn about mushroom cultivation. It's a good farming process and also benefited one. If you able to do in the process, you will get the benefit. In mushroom culture, both it may be loss, it may be um, in a huge you can get huge amount of income from this. Actually mushroom culture depends on the temperature. If you are able to maintain the temperature and also what the ingredient it needs, according to that you put, then you will get the best result in mushroom farming and good income also. And there are various types of mushrooms like paddy straw mushroom and milk mushroom, oyster mushroom, button mushroom. There are various types of mushroom normal for feeding purpose. So most of the in except button mushroom, all are not we can't store all three different mushrooms we can't store more days. Yes, one thing we can do, if we do pickle it may be stored for long days, but paddy straw mushroom we can't make pickle, but we make pickle, but it's unable to store more days. We can't store it more days. And button mushroom, it can be, if you put, it can stay many more days, 15 to 20 days you can store it after harvesting. Okay, so let's know about the introduction part. I'll discuss all the what the expenditure, what the investment you need, how the profit you get, you can get from this. All this is this video is about button mushroom, as it's a profitable, most profitable business cultivation. Okay, so first is introduction. Cultivation of mushroom has been involved for almost 300 years. However, commercial cultivation in India has started only recently. Growing mushroom under controlled conditions is of recent origin. Its popularity is growing and it has become a business which is export oriented. Today, mushroom cultivation has been taken up in states like Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan, etc. Odisha also. Every state they are growing almost button mushroom. Most of the states. Okay, as its temperature, we can maintain the temperature. So almost all in India, almost all states are doing this button mushroom. Okay, so while earlier it was confined to Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and hilly areas, mushroom is an excellent source of protein, vitamins, minerals, folic acid, and is a good source of iron for anemic patient. Mushrooms are of different types. I told you, first is button mushroom, dingri, that is dingri, paddy straw mushroom. Dingri mushroom is otherwise known as paddy straw mushroom. All the types, button mushroom is the most popular one. Mushroom cultivation can be done at cottage and small scale levels besides large scale farming. Let's know about the market potential. The main consumers of mushrooms are Chinese food restaurant, hotels, clubs and households. In big cities, mushrooms are sold through vegetable shops. The growing domestic and export market, as also the delicacy and food value, provides extensive and good potential for cultivation of mushroom. Now let's know about the technical details. Manufacturing process. Preparing spawn mushroom seeds. Spawn means mushroom seeds or mother culture, you can say. Spawns are readily available in the market. If desired, the same can be produced and sold commercially. For this mushroom culture, you must be need compost. Let's know about the compost preparation. There are several mixtures for compost formation, and any one that suits the entrepreneur can be chosen. It is prepared using wheat or paddy straw, into which various nutrients are added. In synthetic compost, wheat straw is supplemented with nitrogen nutrients, organic and inorganic. In inorganic compost, horse dung is added. The compost can be prepared by long and short composting method. Only those who have pasteurizing facility can be employ shortcut method. In long method, 7 to 8 tons at regular intervals are required for a period of 28 days. Good compost is dark brown, ammonia free, light greasiness, and having 65 to 70% moisture. Now let's know about spewing. That means mixing compost or with spawn. For mixing spawn with compost, any of three procedures can be followed. First is layer spewing, that is 3 to 5 cm of compost is remixed, spawn spread and covered with compost. Second one is through spewing. Through spewing, that means spawns are mixed with compost and pressed. The bottle of spawns is good enough for 35 kg of compost spread over 0.75 square meter area, about 2 trays. That is, spawn is compost ratio is 0.5%. Trays are then arranged in tiers in the cropping room and covered with newspapers. 2% formalin is sprinkled over them. Desired room temperature is around 18 degrees centigrade with 95% humidity. Without humidity, we can't grow mushroom. So, now let's know about casing. Spawned compost is covered with sterilized hay, chalk powder, etc. Mushroom growth. Let's know about the mushroom growth. Besides temperature and humidity, proper room ventilation should be ensured. Cropping. Let's know about the cropping. Mushrooms crop up in 30 to 35 days. These fungal fruit bodies appear in flosses and harvested when buttons are tightly closed. In a cropping cycle of 8 to 10 weeks, an average yield of 10 kg mushroom per square meter is feasible. Cropped mushrooms can be packed for marketing. Let's know about production target. 8,000 kg per annum. Utilities: power nominal, water abundant supply required. Now let's know about the plant and machineries. First is you need tray and wooden cases. Quantity 450, rate 150, that means 67,500 rupees total. Then sprays with pump, you must be 3 in quantity, it must be 3 in quantity, that means per pump rupees 1,750, average total 5,250. Mistomatic automatic humidifier or cooler, that is you need one, that is 4,500, total 4,500. Room heater or blower, that is you want 3 in quantity, 2,000 per one blower, that is 6,000. Other equipments like thermometers, fans, etc. Let's put to 4,000. Mist tool, that is 2,750. All total your expenditure is 90,000. Now let's know about utilities per annum. Serial number, particulars, amount, power, 5 kilowatt into 6 hours into 200 days into rupees 3.50 rupees, 21,000. Water supply must be 4,000. So utilities will be totally 25,000. Raw material requirement, that is composting including casting soil, that is 3,000 kg in 10 kg, that means 30,000. Spawn tray 400 trays or 800 bottles, that means total 16 rupees per tray. Total 8 bottles means 6,400. Chemicals needed is formalin, pesticide, insecticide, etc. For this you need 4,000 minimum. Packing material 2,000. Total 42,400 raw material required. Okay, now let's know about manpower requirement. Skilled people, it should be 12,000. Unskilled 21,500. 3,000 20 days per month. 3,000. Total 5,000. 2,000 plus 3,000, 5,000. Now let's know about working capital. Raw material 15 days produce 21,200. Requiring expenses, power plus wages 1 month 7,000. Other expenses 2,000. Let's do so 30,000, around 30,000 2,200. So 30,000 say. Cost of the project, let's know about the cost of the project. Building 1,000 square feet minimum. Self or rent you can take. Plant and machinery including installation 90,000. Furniture and fixture including office equipment 7,000. Preliminary and pre-operative expenses 3,000. Insurance, interest during implementation, contingencies including cost is ejaculation 10,000. Working capital 30,000. Total 1,40,000. Finance, means of finance, suppose you are taking loan from the bank, promoter contribution, term loan, SCA, term loan subsidy, you will get suppose 1,40,000. It may be sponsored or not, it's depends upon the time. Now let's know about project economy. Sales realization, mushroom 8,000 kg into 60 rupees per kg, and compost mushroom bed 3,20,000 plus 80,000 per annum, total 4,80,000. Cost of production, raw material including packing material 1,27,200. Utility, that means power, fuel, water, etc. It will be 25,000 to 25,000. Salary and wages, salary of the workers 5,000 into 12 months, that means 60,000. Rent 2,000 rupees into 12 months 24,000. Transportation of freight 5,000. Conveyor and traveling 5,000. Administrative overhead, that is telephone or postage stationery 5,000. Selling expenses including advertising, distribution cost, commissions and rebates 10,000. Insurance and MISC 4,500. Repair and maintenance 5,000. Interest 8,300. Sustenance for applicant 30,000. Total 3,09,000. Round off. Now let's know about the gross profit. Gross profit is 91,000. Depreciation at the rate 10% of fixed asset cost and amortization of expenses 11,000. Net profit 80,000. Let's know about the conclusion. Income for self-owned properties would go up by 24 rupees per annum, as rental would not be required. In a year, mushroom cultivation will be for 200 days, mostly in winter months due to climate parameters, and three produce will be in a year. Mushroom cultivation will be for 200 days, mostly in winter months due to climate parameters, and three produce will be taken. In states like Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, it is possible to cultivate throughout the year due to climate conditions, low temperature, humidity is more there, so technical training and assistance can be had from you can do from Krishi Vigyan Kendras, Rashtra Anusandhan एवं प्रशिक्षण केंद्र कंबात सोलन, that is in HP Himachal Pradesh, region research lab Jorhat Assam, regional research lab Jammu, Central Food Technology Research Institute Chelubhammam Mansan, that is in Mysore. The cost of plant and machinery has been taken on the basis of items manufactured by standard or reputed suppliers having sound service network. The suppliers should be preferably based in local areas or nearby states. Raw materials should be procured preferably from local areas or nearby states. It is assumed that the products is having good demand in the project area. The cost of project may vary in different states and regions. Completed. Any questions regarding mushroom culture, you can ask me in the comment box and subscribe my channel. Any questions, you can ask me. Thank you. Finally completed.